Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I'm going to unbox a Arduino Starter Kit. It's a IoT. Using the Arduino we can build IoT devices such as some LED works and remote cars, some small robots and other stuffs. Let's jump into the video and let's unbox it. And guys, this is the Arduino kit. Let's unpack and this is the box that we get. First of all, they have put the items that they have given, the Arduino board and some other things. You can read it out, and in the later video I will tell about the products. Now let's take the products out. First of all, there are some plastics things that we can separate the box, and we have the battery for power the Arduino board, Arduino Uno Board, and some push buttons, a small buzzer, some LED bulbs in some different colors, and the jumper wires in male to male and male to female wires. And UltraSonic Senser and some resistors in different ohms, and a switch, and another sensor, and Arduino Uno board, the main board, and a data transfer cable that can be used to upload the code, and a small mini breadboard, and nothing in the box. First of all, we will open the Arduino Uno box, and we will take out. This is the Arduino Uno board. We can use for different projects. There are so many components and some description at the back of the board, and there are about so many pins we can plug in the power and the USB B type used to upload the code for your project program, and the other A type to plug into your PC or laptop and upload the code. And I have another Uno board with a Enclosure that is used to protect the board. It's my old one. I will put all the links to buy everything, each and every product, in the description. Check it out. The boards are same. There is no difference between those two boards, and but the Enclosure looks very nice and it's protective. It is secured without any scratches or breaking out. And first of all, we will take the ultrasonic sensor. This is the sensor that is used to distance project, that can be used to measure a distance or calculate a area or volume, or like a radius sensor. We can use to so many projects. There are 4 pins. One is a VCC, that's for the power, and a ground, and trigger and echo. This is the Bluetooth module that is used to control using your mobile phone or any other remotely to control your Arduino. This is the flame sensor that detects the flame. And this is the buzzer that alarms when you can be use this for security alarm system, and this will be big buzzer module. Earlier I showed a small buzzer module. In here also there are 3 pins, one for ground and the other one for power. This is a LED display 16x2. There are about 12 pins that we can plug in. We can send data or show some details using this LED. And guys, this is the breadboard. I have 2. One is small and one is a medium size. There are a large one also. Mostly I use the medium size because that's easy to use. This is used to connect wires easily to the Uno board. And this is the relay module that you can connect that acts like a register. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. We'll see in my next video. Bye.